The Donner DMT-66 electric guitar kit offers a full-size 39-inch solid body design that feels substantial and stable in the hands of a new player. Its specially voiced HSS pickup arrangement, developed with Donner Laboratory designers, gives this guitar a surprisingly wide range of clear tones, from smooth cleans to punchy rock sounds. The very slim C-shaped neck with a satin-style finish makes fretting chords and fast runs easier, especially for beginners who are still building hand strength. A synchronized tremolo bridge with individually adjustable saddles lets you fine-tune string height and intonation while also adding expressive vibrato without feeling flimsy. The laurel fingerboard provides a warm, rounded sound and a dark, classy look that stays comfortable across long practice sessions. A dual-action truss rod makes it straightforward to keep the neck straight, and the action comfortable as the instrument settles or as you change string gauges.